Hi guys, it's me, Ollie the Car Kid. I just got to Westfield and my dad mentioned Lego and then I said of course I'll come because I want Lego. I want to get a Revolta for sure. But bro, like, and I also want to get a tracksuit that my dad's wearing because look how...
Oh,
damn.
drip check.
Ooh.
Drip check. Tell him.
360 no scope. Oh my god. Oh. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna get some Lego. And I know you guys wanna watch this, so stay tuned. But what is that? Henry. Audi e-tron over there. But nobody likes electric cars. Bye! We're making Dulcie her bottle because she's crying. But now... Alright, and now I'm going Lego by myself. I don't care, but I'm out of here, man. They only have what it seems like Star Wars in here. Look at that, guys. They have a car I want, but it's not what I want at the same time.
Which one?
Look. It comes in two.
Haven't you got that?
No?
You have?
I haven't.
I'm sure you have. What car is that?
Revolta and STO.
Oh yeah. So why did you get that one?
Alright. But this one. But I also wanted the 812 comp, but I don't think it's here.
You've done that 812 comp?
Yeah, but I gave it to Nick. Bugatti?
Oh, so I'm thinking about these ones up here now. These bigger ones.
That is sick.
What's that one?
Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo. That's one of the options. I think we get these two.
What's the other one?
SF90XX. But if I was to get that, right, that would take me a long time.
Haven't you already done that red one?
Nah, I haven't done it. I think there might be something else. We need to look at that big Revolta up there, £160. It's controlled. You can like drive it with a controller.
Yep.
Oh, that's cool. Okay. We're locking it in on this, but I want to go Tesco and get the 812 comp because it'll be cheap in Tesco. So we're gonna get these two. Let me do my maths.
Yeah, I think you run out of money.
23.
There seems to be a common theme with you on this.
24. You're broke.
70. 70.
You got my calculator.
£77.
How much have you got? How much have you got?
71.
So you're £6. And you owe me £5 from earlier.
Yeah,
You
that.
owe me £3 from yesterday.
I owe you nothing.
You owe me £3 from yesterday.
Why?
You got ice cream.
Is that the two?
Yeah. That's cool. There's a bin. Oh, but that is kind of cool. Let me look at it. Okay. I think this one could be my birthday present. I nominate you to buy it for me. But I can't buy it if you guys don't subscribe. Like, you need to subscribe so that I can get it. So subscribe right now. And then... Ooh. Look at this. That's cool. But I don't know where that would go.
In one of the squares in your TV? We need to redo those, really.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
So £70 on your card, yeah?
Yes.
Right on. Straight on. like you.
Hello, can I get these two, please?
Absolutely.
But can I pay £70 on card and then I'll
So
pay?
you put it on card and the rest in cash?
No, £70 on card, but then the rest on another card.
Oh yeah, sure. Let's get this all scanned first. Oh, do you guys have a Lego account by any chance?
No.
Okay.
Benefit of a Lego account.
Well, if you have a Lego account, you basically build up your points every time you buy from us, and once you build up enough points, you'll be able to use it to make a voucher. That's how you'd be worth signing up.
Sign you up?
Yeah.
Buy a lot of Lego, don't you?
Yeah.
There. Just 1 second. I guess you guys have your own YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Ah, that's cool, mate.
Thank you.
Pardon me?
What, can you say it one more time? How much?
$67.98.
Can you say on it?
Oh, the meme.
Yep.
You just made me realise. Declined. Okay, a little.
Bit of margin on it, I think, maybe.
Hang on a second, mate. Just wait for it to load up.
Wait, what? Wait. Let me try that again. I put the wrong code.
Say it. And declined again.
Oh no.
Bro, are you sure it's active?
Yeah, that's it. Go on, take out my card.
Thank you.
Declined at Lego on it.
Why though?
So you owe me 67. How much do you owe me?
£67.
Still, the sooner I never have to hear that meme again, the better. Alright, let me just get you a seat for you.
I was going to say something about what I was going
You
to
guys
say.
have a lovely day, alright?
Thank you, bye.
You're welcome.
And guys, that's how the easy money glitch works.
What's the easy money glitch?
Just make your parents pay, and you'll never have to pay. And then you always have to say you'll give them money. You say you'll pay them back, but never pay them back. Infinite money glitch. I've saved like £1 million off it. I just got back from Westfield, and now I'm gonna build my Lego. So, do we start with this one or this one? I think I'm gonna start with this one. So let's start. But every Ferrari always has like that sick picture at the start. Alright, let's go. So I need to build the person. Alright, we got our person there. Bing. I'm just going to speed this bit up for you, but thank you for watching my videos, and a big amount of you are not subscribed, so make sure you subscribe because it can help out my YouTube channel. And now I'm going to return back to my YouTube video on day 2. I like this car a lot, guys. Check that out. So beautiful. See if there's anything else I need to do. Double check. Nah, that's it. But I do have a load of spare pieces. Oh, sorry guys. I do have a lot of spare pieces, but I don't know where. Oh, there they are. Found my person. Chuck my person right in here. Boom. Bing. And then this car, you'll probably, most likely, see in my videos. But yeah. Oh. Should we just leave it like that? Maybe not. Oh, it's okay. Yeah. You know what? Let's not put it there because it's already falling apart. Wait, let me fix you guys. Sorry. Wait, come back over here to my station. We're gonna do this all over again. Alright, wait, let me put you guys back. Ooh. We're back at my station. Can you guys see me? No, you can't. Wait, you can't see me. Can't see me? Alright. We need to edit again. We need to put this back on there. Might need to take off the back wheels. Might. I need to... Wait. Guys, you watch me. Wait, let me see if you can see what I'm seeing. Alright, you can see.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Guys, you're never going to see its car up there because it can't even go up there. But I think I have another spot where I can put it. So like, you guys just wait there for a minute, wait there. Try to fix that. Alright, cool. Right there, guys. It's gonna be there any minute now. Oh, wait, oops. Yep, down. You know what, guys? Never mind. I'm gonna sort out all my Lego right now. But since I just built the Ferrari SF90XX, is it time that I build the Ferrari F1 car? Is it? Or do I go to Lamborghini? Do I go to Max Verstappen's F1 car? Ready. Guys, you need to comment down below what I should do. If you're not subscribed, subscribe right now! Subscribe!